back with another video. How are y'all doing tonight? I hope everyone's doing good. I have a couple of unbaggings I want to do from GBFKE, and these two, it's just two of them, but I'm gonna unbag them anyway because I do have more, and I have a whole bunch more coming in from all over. I ordered from different other places as well. So, thank you all for joining me. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not a new subscriber, hey, hi, hello. Thank you again. I want to thank all my new subscribers and all my subscribers that are already, that have already watched videos of mine and are back. I really appreciate all of y'all support. And we're gonna get started with the video. Thank you. Thank y'all guys. Okay, this first one, it's called Poinsettia Pixie. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter full round drill. It was $3.88. Comes with a toolkit, basic toolkit, and it's a full round. I'm going to show y'all the drills in a minute. Let me roll her up so y'all could see her. She's stiff. She's kind of stiff. Oh yeah, this is really stiff. Some are stiffer than others. I don't know why. It's really weird. This is her. Poinsettia Pixie. She's a 30 by 40 centimeter. The item number is SZ1727. She has 22 colors. She has 2 schematics, and she has the DMC codes on the side. She has a schematic on the top left upper and bottom right. Top left and bottom right. And this is the thumbnail. This is the drill field. The drill field is clear. It's pretty clear. I don't think there's anything that's confusing or gonna get confusing. Let me look at it. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just letters and a couple of numbers, letters and numbers. Nothing confusing. Let me check the stick on it. Yeah, the stick is good on it. Very good on it, actually. Need something long to, I need to figure this out. Let's do it on this side as well. I'm making a few videos back to back, y'all, because my husband has COVID, and I'm trying to make them in between, you know, checking on him, seeing about him, and all that. You don't know how that goes, but, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I had some time, so I'll just go on ahead and film what I can, because I do have a lot of diamond paintings coming in, so I wanted to do those as much as I can now, because I have a lot. I ordered a lot. Y'all, I don't know. Y'all, if y'all know something that could help me out with all this, flattening this, y'all let me know, please, in the comments below. And please like, if you didn't already, like and subscribe to my channel, if you don't mind, please. This helps me a lot, especially when you like. Both helps me a lot when you like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. These are the drills for this. They come in baggies. Yay. I like it when it comes in Ziploc baggies like this because it's not so staticky. Let me see if it, hold up. Let me open it. I'm gonna open it. Now I'm talking like a Cajun. Let me. All right, y'all. Well, that was not a good idea, but y'all get the picture. These are the drills for it. I'll let y'all look at them like this. That's all right. They have some pretty colors. They have some mint green, some whites, some dark burgundies, like a pinkish pink, light pink, different color aquas and blues. They have even a navy blue, maybe turquoise blue. Yeah, pretty cool. Purple. This purple is gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me see. I'm gonna try to let y'all see it. It's pretty. It looks a lot better in person than the camera. So that's one. The next one. This next one it's called Girl with Glasses. And it was $3.88. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. And the item number's FH352. It comes with the basic toolkit. Roll her backwards just so y'all could see. Kind of see it a little bit better. Some of these videos are short, y'all, and they're gonna be longer, but I don't want to bore y'all to death. Okay, this, like I said, her name is Girl with Glasses. That's what it's called. This is the thumbnail. The item number on this one is FH352, as I said before, and it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. She has 20 colors. She has the schematics on top left, bottom right, and it does have the DMC codes on the right hand side, so which is always great. On the right hand side of the symbols is the DMC codes. This is her. She's cute. I like her. She has a lot of white in the background. A cup. I think it's a cup. Let me see what all this is. She has a coffee cup or teacup. I can't say a kitty. They got a kitty. Well, she has glasses. Another kitty. She has a kitty in her hair too. Y'all can probably see all this better than me because y'all further away. But she's really cute. And let me check the stick. Pretty sure the stick is good. Stick is good. That's some red lipstick. Do I see red? Yeah, they have red. Lots of red. Yeah, it's pretty sticky. She's cute. It shouldn't take long to work this one up. And I'm gonna write the it's on there, but I like to see it big. No. That way I can just put her in the pile. I'm gonna write the one on here too. For this girl. Let's do her, because if I forget, they're gonna get lost. get any of them lost. So I keep them separate. Alright guys, that's the two from GBFKE. And I appreciate you guys for joining me tonight. And I know, like I said, this is a short video, but I'm kind of doing some back to back. The more practice I get, the better I get, I guess. I hope anyways. But yeah, so thank y'all for joining me. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And stay tuned for more videos because I do have more hauls. Let's see, I have one, two, and I have about, oh God, a lot. About 6 more probably. So y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for joining me. And don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button. And I thank you all.